so dramatic. It's truly a metal monster.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. A thunderous crash echoed as the crane unexpectedly dropped a 20,000 pounds tree, plummeting straight onto the roof, causing chaos and destruction. The event served as a harsh reminder of nature's brutal power and the sudden devastation it can bring. Next came the breathless showdown with the Kirovets K701. The battle with the tree began. Two machines roared, their engines growling, as they strained against the chains. The massive tree stump shook violently before being ripped from the earth in a whirlwind of chaos and intense drama. The Fecon Stump X roared to life, its powerful engine pushing hundreds of horsepower into every rotation. The grinding blade spun fiercely, tearing through the stump in just 5 minutes. Join me in witnessing the spectacular scene. The saw, with its 3 6-inch guide bar, screamed with power as it sliced through the massive red oak trunk. The engine, roaring with hundreds of horsepower, made the tree seem to vanish into the air in an instant, as if blown away by a gust of wind. With a massive 1,050 horsepower, the Peterson 5710C horizontal grinder roared fiercely, effortlessly devouring every piece of hardwood. In the mulch yard, the spinning blade whirred rapidly, breaking the wood into pieces in an instant. The sheer mechanical power was truly impressive and awe-inspiring. In the blink of an eye, the powerful Logset 5 FGT moved through the forest, effortlessly lifting a large pine tree. With the support of the Macera 71 crane, the 4-cylinder truck demonstrated its superior capabilities, handling heavy logs with ease. Leave a like or comment if you're fascinated by these mighty machines. Unbelievable. The 230 Timberjack skidder roars powerfully as it drags massive, hard logs. With its high-power engine and impressive horsepower, This logging machine continues to operate at its best, effortlessly overcoming even the toughest terrains. Nothing can stop its power. The Eschelbuch Biber 84 RBZ Nui TGX 480, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, is like an industrial beast, devouring massive logs. With each rotation of its sharp blade, the giant wood quickly turns into mulch, showcasing its incredible strength. Witness the powerful Kubota machine in action, its impressive engine with high horsepower effortlessly transporting massive logs. Every movement is smooth and precise, with the vehicle not only demonstrating exceptional strength, but also delivering optimal work efficiency across all terrains.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no. The tree fell the wrong way, a clear sign of inexperience in felling. The entire log suddenly crashed onto the roof, creating a scene of intense drama and chaos. The destruction was immediate, leaving behind a trail of debris and panic.
Oh my god.
With its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, the Timberjack 1470D is the perfect machine for logging operations. Its flexible performance and ability to move easily across tough terrain, combined with a sturdy track system, allow it to handle large logs efficiently and effectively. The 1010 Douglas fir stood firm amid the raging fire, while the powerful saw, with its high-performance engine and impressive horsepower, charged ahead to tackle the task. The sharp blade cut through the wood effortlessly, and despite the hazardous environment, the machine continued to operate smoothly and efficiently. Wow. What a bizarre sight as the school bus powerfully yanks the tree stump out of the ground. With its high-powered engine and impressive horsepower, the mighty vehicle pulls the tree from the earth, leaving everyone amazed at its extraordinary capabilities. Next came a serious oversight, leading to unforeseeable consequences. The massive tree fell, crashing down and weighing heavily on the small A300 excavator. Despite its powerful engine and high horsepower, the machine couldn't withstand the immense pressure from the massive log. Under skilled control, the rotating crane at the Georgia sawmill operates powerfully, with a high-performance engine and impressive horsepower, effortlessly unloading each heavy truckload of logs. The crane's rotating arm moves with precision, lifting large logs with ease and handling the task swiftly and efficiently. With impressive performance, the NPI truck, equipped with a powerful engine and superior horsepower, transports heavy logs effortlessly. With each movement, the truck showcases its exceptional strength, smoothly navigating any terrain while carrying large loads of wood with efficiency and ease. At the Moorbark sawmill, the PSP peeling machine operates powerfully with a high-performance engine and impressive horsepower. It can strip bark at speeds of up to 40 feet per minute, processing wood quickly and efficiently, delivering optimal performance in the logging operation. The Panguipuli logging truck, with its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, easily transports hundreds of tons of wood across challenging terrains. The engine's strength allows the truck to move smoothly and efficiently, carrying large loads of timber without any obstacles.